Alright, another quick video here on the HDR 68. For this video, I swapped out the original barrel for the HDB 68 barrel. I believe it's about, in total, it's around 13, I think around 13 inches or just under. And this one here is, that's the factory barrel. That's about just slightly over 6.5 inches. Yeah, I think with in my other video on this, with this HPA 1100, I was getting around 60 something, 65 joules with the Zrams and Juls, I believe it was. I'd have to go back and look, but I think it's somewhere close to that. And I just want to see if that barrel is going to make the difference in power in this. I've also, I got it up in the 70 joules with my alloy barrel for the Canada riotballs and the alloy aluminum balls from Home Defense 24. Yeah, I got the 1100 HPA. I got the GOG on there. That way it's ready to go. And I've got 3 Zrams in here. I got 3 Zrams and I got 3 joules loaded in. And we're going to do a crony test on this. Yeah, just shoot at a basic target and got some splatter burst down there. I'm also going to be doing a video testing out the HDP in the 12-inch brass barrel. I'm going to be trying it with some powder balls. I have pepper balls here, but they're like the same casing, just different colors. So I was shooting it in the last video. I was getting around 28, 29 joules. And yeah, I was dropping after that because it's just got the small 8-gram CO2s. Yeah, let me get this camera into mount here without shutting it off. Let's see. Alrighty. So, see if we can see that. Yeah, alright. Yeah, if you guys want to see a video on this, and how to put the barrels in and stuff, I got one about the alloy barrel, I believe, but I can show you guys how to do this one. This barrel's slightly thicker, slightly outer diameter, so I had to kind of grind in some slots. I spun it on my drill. It was ghetto way, but anyone can do it at home with just a normal drill and some Gorilla tape. Okay, let me get this crony on. I got we're at slightly under 3,000 PSI. And turn this on. There we go. Pin popped out. And let's fire the first shot. This is 3 Zrams and then 3 joules followed by error. .438. This didn't need to. Oh, hold on a second. 3 joules. What's going on with this? Okay, I see what it was. There's an issue with my spring. Okay, I'll have to open this up and repair it, but anyways, there's one reading with the Joules and at least one reading with the Zrams. Not sure what that is off my head, but yeah, I just gotta go back in, and this is the first time testing it, so I can see it's something with the spring. Maybe I just have to file a little bit more down, but yeah. Fuck, is that ever powerful? It's got a little kick. Magazine's empty. Let this last bit of air out. Alrighty. Disconnect. Set this down and yeah, anyways, we'll see what that is, and yeah, take care guys, and I guess until the next video, have a good one.